Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with my annual Christmas wish list for 2023. I film these videos every year on my channel for the past 5 years this year, which is insane because that is literally half a decade. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys parts of my Christmas wish list for 2023 and also some gift ideas for you guys or your loved ones this Christmas. I have also just made a little cup of coffee for this video because we're going to be getting into so many gift ideas. Today's video is also a collaboration with one of my YouTube friends, Aesthetic Aura. I'll be linking her channel down below as well as her Christmas wishlist collab over on her channel. She creates such nice aesthetic content and I'm truly obsessed with all of her videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. Let's start off with fashion. First thing in the fashion category is a Ralph Lauren jumper. These are so adorable and there's so many different ones. This one in particular is the Christmas one this year and it's got a Christmas bear on it and it is so cute. I'm obsessed with Ralph Lauren jumpers. It's one of those jumpers that never cripples in the wash. Like every time you wear it, it is so soft. The second thing is comfy tracksuits. Good pair of denim jeans. Hollister and American Eagle do really amazing denim. Cute pajamas. You guys could get these from White Fox, Victoria's Secret, The White Company. There are so many different brands that offer really adorable cute PJs. A new pair of shoes, maybe it could be a pair of Uggs, or I've also seen these Ugg earmuffs and they look adorable. I'm so obsessed with these. I think they're definitely on the more of the pricey side, but they're just such a cute accessory. You could ask for some leg warmers, a puff bag. I've seen the iMum Made It ones and these ones are adorable. I personally have a Longchamp bag and they are my favorite present I've ever received. They are amazing for travel. They fit so much in them. They come in any color that you could possibly think of or color combination. On the topic of bags, I've also seen the Pauline bags. They are so in right now and I really love this brown. They are stunning, and if you're really into bags, Pauline bags are amazing for those requirements. The next thing could be accessories, so maybe it's a piece of jewelry, maybe it's a necklace, maybe it's something you've had your eye on for a while. Me personally, this Christmas I really want some nice Pandora rings just to kind of build some stacks on my hands. I've spotted so many girls with really lovely like hands with their nails done, loads of rings and bracelets, so put together, really give that clean girl aesthetic. It is just something really admirable and I would love to just have my hands full of rings. Moving on to perfume and body care, you could ask for a body mist or a perfume. You could ask for a body wash or a body lotion. Lush Snow Fairy is amazing. Hair care products, skincare or makeup. Candles, you could ask for a Jo Malone candle, a Snow Fairy candle. I also know that Zara Home every Christmas come out with their range of Zara Home candles and they all smell incredible. Last year I used to use the lemon bergamot one all the time, and then at Christmas I used the gingerbread one. A new journal for 2024, for a hydro flask or a water bottle that you love or have your eye on. Water bottles come in handy so much. I use mine daily just because it really helps me with my water intake, so I take it everywhere with me no matter what. If you're into tech or you're looking for something this Christmas, you could ask for a new iPhone, new laptop, iPad or device. You could ask for some cute cases to go on your devices. AirPods cases are so efficient and so handy, and who doesn't love a cute little design on their devices? The Wildflower Ballet phone case, this has my whole heart. For chargers or a charger organizer, simple but effective in the sense that be able to get more use out of your power and be able to charge more things at once. You could ask for a gift card, Starbucks gift card, a Barnes and Noble's gift card, Waterstones, Bath and Body Works, a store that you love, whatever it may be. You could do, I've seen this thing, my mum did it for my sister, where you get a gift card for everything. So for example, if you have like a £50 budget, for example, you can do 5 different gift cards with £10 on each one. So my sister loves to read, so she got £10 for Waterstones, £10 for a coffee place, £10 for food, let's say like something else for the senses, as in like something you can smell, something you can touch, that kind of thing. 5 for each occasion, and that way you can really divide it and cover all grounds in your bedroom and all things cute and pretty and comfy. You could ask for a new blanket or new bedding, and as we're going into the new year, I just think this is such a nice thing to receive or ask for, because who doesn't love fresh bedding sheets? I'm gonna suggest them again this year because I think they are so cute. They are the floral bedding sheets and I think you can wear these any season. They are just very simple, they're very floral, very cute, very minimal, and when fall and Christmas come, you could swap back for your autumnal colours in your bedroom or your Christmas colours. You could ask for something to do with room decor. channel. If you're a YouTuber or you're thinking about getting into YouTube or content creation, you guys could ask for a new camera or tripod or some camera things for your channel that you might be beginning, or if you already have a channel. And if you're beginning a YouTube channel, you can ask for a camera, tripod. Joby do really amazing tripods, especially for vlogging. Camera wise, I really recommend the Sony ZV-E1 as your first vlog camera, and then the camera that I use now later on is my Sony ZV-E10, and this camera is phenomenal. I'm obsessed with this. I bought it last year because my previous camera that I had for years broke, but I just think they're really good starting cameras, and they have autofocus, they have amazing battery life. They're just really phenomenal cameras, and I do think it's totally worth the price and the money. But truthfully, my heart is with Sony. I love Sony cameras. This is just fun to add, but you could also go back to a classic and ask for a Polaroid camera. They are super affordable and they are just adorable. For the occasion, maybe Polaroid cameras just come in handy, and they offer that kind of authenticness that like an iPhone camera can't. It's very like in the moment, if it works, it works kind of thing. We've got to shoot this right. There's only one film left in the camera, and that's truly what it is. It really does capture the moment as raw as possible. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching this Christmas gift guide for 2023. I am so excited for the festive season and for Vlogmas to be happening this week. It is so insane to be saying already. I really hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure to check out Aesthetic Aura's channel down below and check out her side of the collaboration over on her channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. I love you guys endlessly. Bye.
Jingle bells ring.